Today we talk about how can you disable block notifications on your Whoscall app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above the sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you just keep going down here. When here block notification show for you, you click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that's mean block notification disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.